4 days ago, ByteDance quietly dropped a video AI model that sent Chinese tech stocks up 20% overnight. Elon Musk noticed, Reddit lost its mind, and the internet is calling it the DeepSeek moment for video. The tool is called Seedance 2.0, and it does something no other AI video generator has pulled off. You don't describe what you want. You show it. Upload photos, videos, even music, and the AI copies exactly what you gave it. But here's the real question. Is it actually that good, or is this just another hype cycle? I dug through the research, the pricing, the community reactions, and the ethics controversy ByteDance doesn't want you to focus on. Let's break it all down. Okay, so here's the simplest way to understand Seedance 2.0. Every other AI video tool works like this. You type, woman in red dress dancing in a forest, and the AI guesses what shade of red you mean, what kind of forest, what style of dance. You roll the dice and hope. Seedance 2.0 flips this completely. You upload the actual red dress photo. You upload a reference dance video showing the exact choreography you want. You upload a music track for the pacing. Then you tell the AI, use this photo as my character, copy this dance, match this beat, and it works. The system accepts up to 12 reference files at once, 9 images, 3 videos, and 3 audio files, plus your text prompt. You assign each file a role using an @ symbol. So your prompt looks something like, use @image1 as the character, copy the camera movement from @video1, match the rhythm of @audio1. This is fundamentally different from anything Sora, Runway, or Kling offers. Those tools make you describe everything in words and then hope the AI interprets you correctly. Seedance 2.0 lets you show, not tell. And the other headline feature? It generates audio and video simultaneously. When a character speaks, their lips actually match. When a door closes, you hear it. Previous tools made silent video and forced you to add audio afterward. Let's talk about the number that should genuinely worry Sora and Runway. 90% usable output rate on first generation. The industry average, around 20%. That means with most AI video tools, you generate 5 clips and get maybe one you can actually use. With Seedance 2.0, 9 out of 10 clips are usable right away. For a real project, that efficiency gap is enormous. Early testers estimate it cuts effective production costs by about 80%, because you're not burning credits on failed generations. Now, pricing. This is where it gets really interesting. Seedance 2.0, through ByteDance's Kling platform, starts at roughly $9.60 a month. Sora 2, $200 a month for full quality. Google's Veo 3.1, $250. Even Kling, which is the budget option, starts at about $7. A traditional 5-second visual effects shot costs around $400 and takes weeks. Seedance generates a comparable clip for about 42 cents in under 2 minutes. The economics of video production just changed. Seedance 2.0 actually stack up against the big names. Let me give you the honest breakdown. Against Sora 2 from OpenAI, Seedance wins on multimodal control, character consistency, native audio quality, and price. It's not even close on price. But Sora 2 still has the edge on physics realism. When objects need to interact with convincing weight, like a ball bouncing or water splashing, Sora handles that better. Sora also generates up to 25 seconds per clip versus Seedance's 15-second cap. Against Kling 3.0 from Kuaishou, this is a tighter fight. Kling is slightly cheaper and can generate videos up to 3 minutes long, which is a massive advantage if you need longer content. It also outputs 4K at 60 frames per second. But Seedance crushes Kling on character consistency and that multimodal reference system. If you need your character to look exactly the same across 5 different clips, Seedance is your tool. Here's the simple decision framework. Choose Seedance 2.0 if you have reference material you want replicated precisely, you need character consistency across shots, or you're making ads, music videos, or template-based content. Choose Sora 2 if physics simulation matters most, you need longer single-take clips, or you're already paying for ChatGPT Pro. Choose Kling 3.0 if you need videos longer than 15 seconds, you want the cheapest option, or you're primarily making fast social media content. The honest truth? Many production teams in 2026 are using multiple models. Seedance for reference-based work, Kling for quick drafts, and Sora for final high-quality deliverables. Now, the catch. Getting access to Seedance 2.0 is not straightforward if you're outside China. Option 1. The Kling platform. This is ByteDance's official creative tool. It has the cheapest pricing and a free tier, but you'll need a Chinese phone number to register. There's also usually a 1 to 2 hour queue during peak times. Option 2, Dreamina. This is the international version of Kling. ByteDance is rolling this out globally, and it's expected to be widely available by late February or March 2026. If you're watching this after that date, this is probably your best bet. Option 3. Third-party AP providers like WaveSpeed AI, Atlas Cloud, or Key AI. These don't require a Chinese phone number, and some offer free trial credits. The trade-off is slightly higher per generation costs. My recommendation, if you're patient, wait for Drumina's international rollout. If you want to experiment right now, try a third-party API with free credits. Okay, we need to talk about the part ByteDance would rather you didn't focus on. Within days of launching, testers discovered that Seedance 2.0 could generate someone's voice from just a photograph of their face. No voice sample needed, no authorization required. Just upload a photo and the AI creates a realistic voice for that person. The backlash was immediate and fierce. ByteDance suspended the feature within 48 hours and introduced a live verification step, requiring users to record their own face and voice before creating digital avatars. But the deeper concerns remain. ByteDance hasn't disclosed what training data was used. The resemblance of some outputs to existing copyrighted content raises serious intellectual property questions. And because the infrastructure runs on Chinese servers, there are data sovereignty concerns for enterprise users. Credit where it's due, ByteDance responded fast and restricted the feature. But the fact that it launched without these safeguards in the first place tells you something about the gap between capability and responsibility in this space. My take? The technology is genuinely impressive, but go in with eyes open about who's building it and what guardrails are still missing. So here's my honest verdict on Seedance 2.0. This is the most significant AI video tool launched in 2026 so far. The multimodal reference system is genuinely groundbreaking. The character consistency is the best in the industry. The pricing makes every competitor look overpriced. And the 90% success rate if it holds.